Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What kind of phone is AT&T sending to replace 3G phones? AT&T starts sending Samsung smartphones to customers affected by its 3G shutdown. As some of you probably know by now, AT&T announced it will shut down its 3G network effective February 2022 to further expand its 5G network. As such, customers using phones that only work on AT&T's 3G network will become obsolete. The 7th of September 2021. Will AT&T replace my phone for free? Thankfully, AT&T is offering a free replacement phone, via Android Police, for those who want it. That's an AT&T Radiant Core, a budget phone from 2019 that was first introduced as a reasonable option for AT&T's prepaid customers. It usually retails for $70, but it's currently available at a 50% discount, the 5th of September 2021. Will 3G phones stop working? Mobile carriers are shutting down their 3G networks, which rely on older technology, to make room for more advanced network services, including 5G. As a result, many older cell phones will be unable to make or receive calls and texts, including calls to 911, or use data services.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.